What is up everyone? In this video I will show you how to jailbreak iOS 11.3. That's true guys, the iOS 11.3 jailbreak has been released today by Pangu team. I know they've not been in the scene for a while since iOS 9, but they've come back strong. The iOS 11.3 jailbreak is fully untethered. That means even if I restart my device or I run out of battery, the jailbreak will still be there and cydia will still be working and the tweaks will not be lost. The jailbreak is very simple. I already did it this morning and I'm gonna show you that it is working. First of all, I will show you my iOS version. Go to General, About, and right there, iOS 11.3. After I will show you that cydia is working and it's fully functional. This is not a fake cydia guys where cydia not working, and I know there are many videos on YouTube where they just open cydia and let it like it's more like a screenshot than a working cydia. But right here you can see me moving, you can see me checking all the tweaks and sources and everything. This is a real cydia guys. Okay, so that was it. Now let me show you how it's done. So what you need to do is visit this website that is called jailbreakpangu.net. This is the official Pangu jailbreak site. And right here you hit verify compatibility. You select your phone and then select the iOS version. It's working for all iOS versions, but I have the 11.3, so that's what I'm gonna choose. And after the compatibility is verified, you are eligible to jailbreak your device. That's how simple it is, guys. This is a remote jailbreak done directly from your phone. You don't need the cable, you don't need the PC, you don't need any coding knowledge. Everything is made super easy. And here is human verification. I know most of you don't like human verifications and surveys, and I don't like them too. You think it's more like fakes and stuff, but this is actually important, guys. This needs to be done to support the site and to actually verify that we're a human trying to access it. Because there are many spam coming to the site, there are many visitors, and they need a way to be able to detect who's real and who's not. And this doesn't even take long, it takes like a minute. For me, it says install an app and run it for 30 seconds. That's how easy it is. You just open one of this application that you install, just open it for like 30 seconds and that's it. That's what I did and that's it how it worked for me. So thanks a lot guys for watching my video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day.